All right, prime time. Here's the video to find the winner of the Andre Dawson graded rookie card. These are the four eligible teams: were the Blue Jays, the Padres, the A's, and the Nationals. So we're going to check the time, June 5th at 9:49 p.m. We're going to go over to, now we'll call it the raffle and say live. And we have June 5th at 9:49 p.m. Again, here is our four eligible players. We have Kyle, Brian with 2 spots, and Tony Schwant. So we're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 10. All right, 10 times. Here we go, guys. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. And it is Brian spot 22 with the Padres is our winner. So Brian, I'll send this with your other items you won tonight. There is our verification code, our timestamp. Once again, June 5th, 9:49 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.